What happened? Where's the windmill? That's where I'm supposed to be. Well, now I've completely lost my sense of direction. Now my gold dust really is all gone. And if I can't find the source for making more, I know how bad the consequences will be. I saw them in my dream last night. My family never really told me what to do in a gold dust crisis. They only said if you can't remember the clue, the windmill will remind you. But where is the windmill? And what is the clue?
Smile, you steamers. It's a sunny day.
It's not sunny because Mr. C's not at the windmill. I looked.
I think his sparkle's all gone.
My smoke box doesn't feel sunny. It feels stuffed up.
Nasty fumes from dingy Diesel.
And Diesel is after the lost engine.
And if he finds her, I fear that will destroy us all.
What, even an engine as big as me?
Yes, Gordon, even you.
Say it, don't spray it, Thomas.
I've still got sneezing powder up my funnel. Now I'm going to look for Mr. Conductor.
Let us get back to work. That's what he would want.
How about a race, Thomas? Sorry, Bertie, I can't today. I have to be a really useful engine and solve some mysteries instead. I guess that means I win. Perhaps another day.
I'll be rich, Burnett. Rich.
That's the stranger. I better tell Billy.
What's that? What's this? I notice you left your thinking cap behind. Try these instead. They're good for the brain. Gone fishing rabbit. Well, well, well. How very thoughtful. Plane, drain. Mountain, fountain. That might be something. I think I'll try the celery. Sausage, bicycle, toothpaste, beach. Wait a minute. Beach. Beach, that's it. That's it. I have to find a bellflower. I need to make a call.